Hello everybody, this is the first unboxing of the Inflatable Batman 7 feet tall, officially licensed, classic TV series Batman. 7 feet tall, that is incredible. Most other ones that you find online are only 3 or 4 feet tall. And then there's, of course, the other knockoffs, but this one is definitely officially licensed by DC Comics. You can only find it at sold from BlockBuster Costumes. This is the largest Batman that is officially licensed and available. 7 feet tall. That is incredible. I still can't believe how tall this thing is. It lights up when you plug it in. So here we go. I'm gonna unbox this, and then show what it looks like all blown up. So there's all the stakes, instruction manual, plug, regular 2-prong plug, and then, of course, the Batman. Woo. So let's go outside and get this inflated.